To our top story this afternoon, the Ministry of External Affairs has termed the tweets by global celebrities on the farmer stir as inaccurate. Responding to the tweets by pop star Rihanna and activist Greta Thunberg, the ministry has urged that before rushing to comment on such matters, all the facts should be ascertained and one should have a proper understanding of these issues. The statement went on to say that the temptation of sensationalist social media hashtags and comments, especially when resorted to by celebrities and others, is inaccurate or nor irresponsible. The statement is coming after a slew of celebrities came out in support of the ongoing farmers' protest in the national capital. From pop star Rihanna to former porn star Mia Khalifa, they all took to social media to support the stir against the contentious farm laws. So that's the latest coming in. You did see all these tweets being put out by international celebrities, whether it is Rihanna, Mia Khalifa, Greta Thunberg. You also have a tweet that is coming in from Meena Harris as well. Now, on the back of all of this, there is a statement that has come out by the MEA. The MEA has issued this particular statement, and let me just walk you through a few contents of the statement. One, it says it is unfortunate to see vested interest group trying to enforce their agenda on these protests and derail them. It talks about how they've tried to mobilize international support against India. Geeta Mohana, Foreign Affairs editor, is now joining us to give us a perspective on what really is going on. Geeta, we broke the story in terms of MEA issuing this particular statement. Of course, it is coming on the back of all these global celebrities who are tweeting on the farmers' protest, which is going on in India. The MEA going on to say that there are vested interests that are trying to mobilize these celebrities to talk out about these farmer issues and put out these tweets as well. How are you reading this from both the sides?
Well, one, that the Ministry of External Affairs is facing a lot of heat when it comes to how to handle the situation, because they are the window to how India is projected abroad, be it on the government end or, for that matter, by influencers. So yes, the statement by the Ministry of External Affairs is a very tough one, where they're calling it propaganda by certain quarters, fringe elements being used in various countries against Indian interests. But it also comes from the commentary that is coming from various quarters are after having read various articles, be it from international newspapers, news networks, or for that matter Indian news networks. And that's the reason why there is an effort by the Indian administration now to reach out to not just governments, which is what they were engaging earlier, but also to those who are commenting on the farmers' protest, first to ascertain facts and then to put out the tweets or their comments. Having said that, let's not presume that the ones who are tweeting about it or are commenting about it have not read. Like I said earlier, they're all reading international newspapers. They're all reading newspapers that are going to their or articles that reach their own countries, home countries. And that's the reason why there's an effort now that needs to be made by the Indian government as to reach out not just to the governments but to various quarters to explain to them as to what really the farm laws are all about. The specific criticism over here is not about the farm laws, it's about the handling of the farmers' protest as well, particularly the area or the articles that mention internet shutdown or the handling of the situation at the border.
Well, this is a precarious situation that the government has found itself in. The MEA's statement has just come out. We'll get you more reactions as we go along the way as well. Thank you for now, Geeta, for joining us on this story. India's farmer protests are catching the eyes of international celebrities. International pop star Rihanna has backed the farmers' agitation in a tweet on Tuesday evening. Sharing an article on the suspension of internet around New Delhi's borders, Rihanna questioned why the issue is not being spoken about. Rihanna's tweet on the farmer protest got more than 35,000 retweets and 60,000 favorites within just an hour. Soon after the pop star's tweet, Kangana Ranaut called Rihanna a fool and claimed that the protests are not being spoken about since the farmers are terrorists. That's what Kangana has put out. And while environmental activist Greta Thunberg also came out in support of the farmers. Thunberg, while attaching a new story about internet shutdowns in Delhi, said, and I quote, "We stand in solidarity with the farmers' protests in India," unquote. This comes in after child environmental activist Lisapriya Kanjagam urged the global personalities to come out in support of the farmers.
The US pop star has created quite a flutter by wading into the issue of India's farmer protests. Now, it's not immediately clear what led her to talk about the issue at this point, but she is known for her philanthropy and her charitable work. She has her own foundation, which supports causes like education and disaster relief. So she's not stranger to wading into social causes and social issues. However, what the Indian authorities may not be quite prepared for is the international spotlight that this will bring to the India farmer protests, because Rihanna has a huge following on social media, more than 100 million on Twitter itself. So it's very likely that the issue will now gain more traction in international communities.
And the face-off between pop icon Rihanna and actor Kangana Ranaut has taken the internet by storm, but this is not the first time that the actors have taken a stance on political issues. Take a look at this report coming in.
Pop sensation Rihanna, in a surprising move, extended her support to the ongoing farmers' protest as she took to social media to question the internet ban imposed in Haryana and parts of Delhi. Sharing a news report on the India's farmers' protest, the singer asked, "Why aren't we talking about this?" The news report was from the government's decision to cut internet services around New Delhi as protesting farmers clashed with the police. The tweet sent the singer trending on Twitter, receiving thousands of responses, including one from actor Kangana Ranaut. Calling the demonstrators terrorists, Kangana Ranaut, who has 3 million Twitter followers versus Rihanna's over 100 million, lashed out at Rihanna, addressing the singer as a fool. She wrote, and we quote, "No one is talking about it because they are not farmers, they are terrorists who are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable, broken nation and make it a Chinese colony, much like USA. Sit down, you fool. We are not selling our nation like you dummies." Ironically, Kangana also slammed a Twitter user who pulled out an old tweet of hers, seemingly expressing her appreciation for a song by Rihanna. Kangana claimed that it was her team that used to handle her page. She further revealed that she doesn't understand pop music, nor does she listen to English songs. Soon after Rihanna's post, social media erupted in praise for the pop sensation. While netizens applauded her for speaking out, they compared her to Indian celebrities, most of whom have kept mum, and even made funny memes questioning her intent. Rihanna, however, is no stranger to speaking her mind, especially when it comes to her political views. Last August, Rihanna, who has 90.3 million followers on Instagram, posted a photo where she was wearing a psychedelic hoodie from a luxury fashion label in what appeared to be Texas. Spray-painted on a half-dug graffitied vehicle in front of her was an expletive followed by Trump, in reference to the 45th President of the United States. Rihanna has openly expressed her dislike for Trump's political views at various instances. Back in 2017, the Grammy Award winner didn't refrain from calling Trump an immoral pig when the former president denied visa entry into USA to people from 7 Muslim-majority countries for 90 days. During the 2018 political rallies for Trump, Rihanna threatened to take legal action against the then US president for the use of her song "Don't Stop the Music." Later, in June 2019, when Rihanna, who hails from Barbados, disagreed with Trump's immigration policies, posted a photo of herself and a group of women holding up a shirt for her latest collection for Fenty, which features the word immigrant and text explaining the origins of the word. Her dislike for Trump was evident when the pop singer celebrated Biden's presidential inauguration with a photo of herself taking out the trash and looking very glamorous doing it, we might add. The post was captioned, "I'm just here to help," with the hashtag #WeDidItJoe. Entertainment Bureau, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.